Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest, and I'm back with a new video on how you can remove debit card from your PayPal account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your PayPal account. So then open up your web browser and on the search box type in www.paypal.com and then log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, next get onto your payment method. After you tap on the payment method on the other side, you'll be able to see a list of credit card and debit card that is linked to your PayPal account. So from here, you'll have to select the card that you want to remove. So you have to select the card on the left hand side corner, and once you select the card on the left hand side corner, you can see right at the bottom you'll have an option such as update card as well as remove card. So then you'll have to tap on remove card, which is right over here, and in order to confirm, once again you have to tap on remove this card, and once you tap on remove this card and you have successfully removed your debit card from your PayPal account. So that is how you can remove your debit card from your PayPal account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.